Harvey Weinstein had all the power while his victims had none. That was the opening statement from prosecutor Shannon Lucy in Weinstein's retrial Wednesday to jurors in a New York state court in Manhattan. The disgraced movie mogul is being retried on rape and sexual assault charges. It comes a year after New York's top court overturned his 2020 rape and sexual assault conviction and 23-year prison term due to errors by the trial judge. Lucy, the prosecutor, said Weinstein exploited his status as a Hollywood gatekeeper and power broker to prey upon and sexually abuse women. He then assured their silence by holding their careers hostage. Weinstein's lawyer, Arthur Aidala, rejected that characterization in a sharply contrasting statement. He said his client had, quote, mutually beneficial relationships with his accusers, and made a similar remark later on the courtroom steps.
We don't believe they're victims at all, and I think the evidence is going to show that they're not victims, that in fact they were willing participants in a mutually beneficial relationship where Mr. Weinstein would help them with certain things in their lives, and in return they would spend quality time with him in a romantic way.
For the retrial, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office is accusing Weinstein of sexually assaulting production assistant Miriam Haley in 2006 and of raping aspiring actress Jessica Mann in 2013. These were charges he was convicted of in the first trial. Meanwhile, prosecutors added a new charge that Weinstein assaulted another woman, Kaja Sokola, from Poland, who claims Weinstein assaulted her when she was a 16-year-old aspiring actress. Weinstein's 2020 conviction had been a milestone for the Me Too movement. More than 100 women, including famous actresses, have accused Weinstein of misconduct. The 73-year-old producer has denied assaulting anyone or having non-consensual sex. Lindsay Goldblum, a lawyer representing Sokola, said the proceedings have far-reaching implications.
The Me Too movement is alive and well. There's been incredible changes in legislation surrounding sexual assault. I think as a society, we are starting to have a better collective understanding about the trauma that sexual assault survivors have faced. And we are able to differentiate these rape myths and the victim blaming, which is a tactic that Weinstein's lawyers have used in this trial.
The new trial before State Supreme Court Justice Curtis Faber is expected to last about 6 weeks. Even if acquitted, Weinstein will likely spend the rest of his life in prison with his sex crimes conviction in California and a 16-year prison term there.